Hey guys, this is our Chapter 8 review. We have a test tomorrow, so this is the review we went over in class. Number 1, which of the following sets of values completes the function table? So they were nice enough, they plugged this all in for you. Let me zoom it in so you can see it a little bit better. So we have 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 plus 2 is 18. Right off the bat, if you look down at your choices, you can eliminate A and D because there's not an 18 in there. Let's look down here. 4 times 5 is 20. And 20 plus 2 is 22. Since it's a 22, it eliminates letter B, and our answer is C. Number 2. Molly is buying packages of party favors for her birthday party. Using the table as a guide, how many packages will she need to buy to have 24 favors? So 24 is going to go over here because that is the favors category. And we want to know this right here. So to get from 3 to 6 and 6 to 12, we're multiplying by 2. So we have blank times 2 is 24. And 12 times 2 is 24. So our answer is H, 12. This next table we're going to use to answer 3 and 4. So what is the rule to find the value of the missing term? So to get from the top to the bottom, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 3 to 6, 4 to 8, we're multiplying by 2. So that would be C, because a letter and a number next to each other means multiplication. And then what is the value of the 12th term? So we're going to take 12 and plug it right in there for N. So 12 times 2 equals 24, which is letter I. Number 5. The graph shows the total money earned at a fundraiser car wash. Which equation can be used to find the total earned? Y. So we're going to have Y equals, for the number of cars washed, X. So if we look at this, we go 5, 10, 15, 20. Each time we're doing that, we're going up by 5. So 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. So we're multiplying. So our answer is C. 6. A pizzeria charges $12 per pizza plus, so we have $12 per, so that's multiplication, and I'm going to use P for pizza. Plus means a plus, and then it's a $3 charge for delivery. So we have 12 times P plus 3. So that would be this one right here. Not to confuse it for this one. If you put a P next to the 3, that means that you're multiplying the delivery charge, but you only have a $3 flat delivery charge. So H is your answer. Let's head on to the back. Number 7. We need to make sure we read this first. Ryan earns $20 for every lawn. Every means multiplication. So if we're looking through here, I'm narrowing it down to A and B with multiplication. C and D do not have multiplication, so they can go away. So let's read number 7. Which equation can be used to find T? They start with T, so our equation starts with T. So our answer is A. How much will Ryan earn if he mowed 15 lawns? So we're going to put 15 in for N. So we have 20 times 15. I know that 2 times 15 is 30. And then we're just going to add that extra 0. So we get 300, which is letter I. Now we're going to use this information and we're going to put them in ordered pairs. We're going to start with 1 yard. A is wrong because it puts the big number first. We are going to start with like 1 and 2s. So we're going to be, since our equation has 20s, we're going to be counting by 20s. B does not count by 20s, but C does. We're going to be using C. We're not going to use D because we know at 0 it would be 0. You're not going to get paid $20 for not cutting any lawns. Which of the following is the solution of the inequality? H plus 9 is less than 20. So we're going to subtract 9. Well, hold on. Let's just plug them in. What, 13 plus 9? That's going to be greater than 20, so that doesn't work. 12 plus 9 is going to be greater 11 plus 9 is going to be greater. But if we plug 10 in, 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 is less than 20. Number 11, the inequality A is less than 10 represents the ages A that qualify for a child ticket. Which children in the Rogers family qualify for a child ticket? So we're looking for numbers less than 10. And the only two that are less than 10 are Chris and Megan, which is letter C. Piper is not included because she is 10, not less than. Number 12, which inequality is graphed below? It is an open circle, so therefore it's going to eliminate anything with the equal sign with it. And it is going to the left, so the arrow that is pointing that way is G. X is less than 3. Miguel has at least. At least means it can be equal to, but it can also be greater than. So our answer is D. Okay, so on this one, we kind of have to solve these a little first. But before you do that, you can see that the circle is closed in, so it's going to eliminate this guy and this guy. And then it's going greater than. So this one is less than, so I can cancel that off. So we get H for our answer. And I'm going to solve it just to show you. The opposite of multiplication is division, so I'm going to divide by 3. X is greater than or equal to 2. And so that is the correct answer. Now these ones down here, we're just going to solve. Right now we have 3 plus X is greater than or equal to 12. The opposite of adding 3 is subtracting 3. X is greater than or equal to 12 minus 3 is 9. So that matches up with A. The opposite of multiplying by 5 is dividing by 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6, so X is less than 6. So our answer is G. And then X divided by 3 is less than or equal to 6. The opposite of dividing by 3 is multiplying. So X is less than or equal to 18 because 6 times 3 is 18. The one that matches up with that is the letter C. Now on your test, I am also going to be including a problem where you have to write the equation, fill in the table, graph it, and then analyze. So make sure you're checking your notes for that problem. And good luck on your test.